The final thing I want to show you is more of an exercise. It's an exercise for your transverse abdominis muscle. So core stability, a lot of people think of core stability as pelvic tilting, strengthening those rectus abdominis muscles or the oblique muscles. But the fourth muscle that's deepest to all of them, the transverse abdominis, runs sideways. We call it the weight belt of your abdominal muscles. It's kind of a tricky muscle to contract. It's one that pregnancies, excessive weight, it causes your body to not engage that muscle when it should. So when you're doing activities where you go to lift something, that transverse abdominis should contract naturally, but a lot of times our brain just loses that connection for whatever reason, and we don't contract it when we should. So I'm going to teach you an exercise that retrains that transverse abdominis. I like to use a ball. It makes it simpler. You can use your hand. It's just a mental cue. What you're going to do is take a deep breath, blow out, and you're going to suck that ball as close to your spine as you can, or close to the floor, whatever you want to think of. Suck it in, and then press down like you're moving your bowels, like you're trying to go to the bathroom. So there's two aspects of it, the suck in and the push down. You're bearing down. So you're going to hold this for 10 seconds. The trickiest part of this entire exercise is breathing. You got to take nice, slow, deep breaths. And release. Repeat that exercise, I would say anywhere from 3 to 5 times, depending on how much strength you have in it. If you're very weak when you go to do that exercise, within a few seconds, you might already feel it cramping. Don't push past the cramping. If you start to feel a cramp, release it, start breathing normal, and then taking a deep inhale, suck it in again as deep as you can, and then contract it. And when you start to feel the cramping, stop. If you're okay, hold it for a whole 10 seconds. Make this a regular part of your exercise routine in the morning. When you're doing the stretches that I taught in the video, finish off with this at the last part.